This project is quadrilateral relay using Arduino. It has a start-stop button, a contactor, PT, two CTs, and transmission line. It consists of resistors of 100 ohms and 5 watts and 10 millihenry inductors. We have switches for switching the transmission line. Switches helps in dividing the transmission line into sections. We divided this into 4 zones and we have 2 bulbs. The connections are like the start button is connected to contactor, and for the contactor we will give single phase supply. The contactor then it is connected to the bulb, and the bulb is in series with the CTs. The CTs are then connected to the transmission line. The PTs are connected to the supply directly, so it gets energized. The switches, here are the switches. The first switch is the first junction, and the second switch comes to the second junction, and third switch comes to the third junction. Only 3 switches are connected in this project. In this Arduino, it has program of quadrilateral relay. This relay and the contactor acts as a circuit breaker. This has the features of quadrilateral relay. After tripping, the relay and the contactor acts as a circuit breaker, and the whole supply will get turned off, and this comes to the construction.
Coming to the working part, as soon as the start button is pressed, the contactor is energized, and supply enters from the single phase supply, and then the supply enters the CTs. Current flows through the CTs, through the bulb, then through the CTs, and then through the transmission line. Once the output of the PT and CT is rectified and given to the Arduino, in which the programming is done in order to trip the relay. From Arduino, pulses are given to the circuit breaker in order for tripping. So once for fault, we are creating fault by use of switches. Since 4-zone protection is given, as soon as the first switch is now we are switching on the supply. This bulb is the indication that the supply is flowing through the bulb, the CTs and the transmission line. Now entire transmission line is connected to the supply. Now we are going to create a fault by shorting the first zone of transmission line. As soon as the switch is on, this part of transmission line is shorted and the supply is cut, and the bulb gets switched off. This is demonstrated now. Contactor tripped due to the occurrence of a fault on the transmission line, as the impedance reduces than the normal conditions. Similarly, the same thing is repeated for all the 3 zones for various impedance values as programmed in the Arduino.